In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wire app. To start off, you will need to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, or the App Store if you are on an iPhone or iPad. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. For iPhone and iPad users, look for the App Store icon on your home screen. This step is crucial because it directs you to the official source where you can safely download the Wire app. Ensuring that you are using the correct store also helps protect your device from malicious apps. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type Wire-a secure messenger. Make sure to spell it correctly, as there may be other messaging apps that sound similar. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up. This can help you find the app faster. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on it to select it. This is an important step because it ensures you are looking for the right application, which is essential for your security and privacy. Now you will need to tap on the Install button if you are using an Android device. For iPhone and iPad users, simply tap on the Get button. This action will initiate the download process for the app. Downloading the app is a critical step as it allows you to access all of Wire's features, including encrypted messaging and calls. You will notice the app icon will appear on your home screen once the download is complete. If prompted, you may need to authenticate your download. For Android users, you might need to input your Google account credentials. For iPhone and iPad users, you will most likely need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This authentication step is designed to keep your account secure, ensuring that only you can download apps on your device. It's a quick process, and once completed, you can move on to the next step. Now wait for the app to download and install. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. Depending on your internet connection, this may take just a few seconds or a couple of minutes. It's important to be patient during this step. The installation process is vital to ensure that the app is correctly set up on your device. Once it is done, you will see the Wire app icon on your screen. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button. This will launch the Wire app for the very first time. You may also find the app on your home screen or app drawer. Opening the app is the exciting part, as it leads you directly to a secure messaging environment. You will see the initial setup screen where you can begin the process of signing in or creating an account. Finally, you will need to sign into your existing Wire account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. For new users, follow the prompts to create an account. Signing in or creating an account is crucial because it allows you to access the full features of Wire, ensuring your messages and calls are secure. You are all set to start connecting with your friends and family using Wire.